Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best manual breast pump is probably one of the most essential tools for new mothers. Today, we're diving deep into the Evenflo Manual Breast Pump, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you're a seasoned mom or a first-time parent, understanding the right breast pump can make a world of difference. Join me as we uncover whether this pump lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for your breastfeeding journey. Number 5. Medela Harmony Manual Breast Pump. This manual breast pump is a top choice for a reason. It's perfect for busy moms who need a convenient alternative to electric pumps or for occasional use. It is easy to carry and use. The clinically proven breast shield technology helps you get more milk in less time. Studies show that it delivers 11.8% more milk. This can help you save time and effort. This pump is small and light, fitting easily into a handbag. There are no batteries, cables, or tubing needed. It is also easy to assemble, with fewer parts to clean. You can collect milk directly into the bottle. Once you're done, just twist on the cap and put it in the fridge. This makes storing milk simple and convenient. The comfortable handle features stimulation and expression modes. These modes mimic your baby's natural sucking rhythms. This design helps to make pumping more comfortable and efficient. The package includes the Medela Harmony pump with handle, a diaphragm set, a connector and valve, membranes, a flex shield, a bottle with lid, a stand, and an instruction manual. Everything you need is included for easy use. What we like? This pump's compact design and two-phase expression technology make it perfect for busy moms. It's small enough to fit in your bag, so you can pump on the go. If you are looking for a convenient and efficient solution for occasional pumping, this is a great choice. What people say. The pump is easy to assemble and clean. It's a great pump for occasional use. The handle is comfortable to hold. Number 4. Lansinoh Manual Breast Pump with Comfortable Flange. This manual breast pump features two pumping phases. The letdown and expression phases work together to help with pumping efficiency. This helps maximize milk expression. It includes two sizes of comfortable flanges. They have flexible soft rims for ideal suction and fit. This ensures a comfortable pumping experience. The pump has an easy express handle design. This helps reduce hand fatigue while you pump. You can also use it with a pumping bra. It has fewer parts, making it easy to assemble and clean. It's also BPA and BPS free. This is a must-have for newborn essentials. Wide neck bottles fit across the Lansinoh range. You can use one bottle to pump, store, and feed. This makes it convenient for mothers. It includes one slow-flow natural wave nipple. This promotes the same natural feeding actions your baby learned while breastfeeding. It is clinically proven to reduce nipple confusion. What we like? The Lansinoh manual pump features two-phase pumping for efficient milk expression. It includes comfort fit flanges for a comfortable fit. If you like a pump with an ergonomic handle to reduce hand fatigue, this is the one for you. What people say. It's comfortable, simple to set up, and gets milk out quickly without hurting. The suction is strong but gentle, and the handle is easy on the hands even during longer sessions. It's also lightweight and perfect for throwing in a diaper bag or using on the go. The suction is surprisingly strong for a manual pump once you get the hang of it. The handle is comfortable, and I like that the design lets you adjust how hard you squeeze for better control. Cleaning is quick, just a few parts and nothing tricky to reassemble. It's easy to use and assemble. Easy to wash. It doesn't hurt while pumping. It's also a time saver. Number 3. NCVI 8782 Electric Breast Pump. This pump offers 4 modes and 9 levels of suction. It includes massage mode, suck stimulation mode, and express pumping mode. Mothers can easily find the most comfortable setting for their needs. The pump has a 2,200 mAh lithium battery. It can be used up to 3 times on a single charge. You can charge it with power banks, computers, or car adapters. The pump is made with food-grade silicone. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, except for the electrical components. This design ensures safety and easy cleaning. This pump features an anti-backflow design. It prevents milk from entering the machine. It is recommended to fully charge it before the first use. The pump operates at a low noise level of 40 dB. The baby won't be disturbed by the gentle milk sucking. The mom can use it freely without worrying about waking the baby. What we like. This electric pump offers multiple modes and levels for personalized comfort. The rechargeable battery and anti-backflow design make it ideal for use at home or on the go. If you are looking for a hospital-grade pump with convenience, consider this. What people say. The pump is easy to assemble and clean. It is easy to use. The handle is comfortable to hold. Number 2. Dr. Brown's Manual Breast Pump with SoftShape Shield. This manual breast pump offers powerful pumping that's quiet and comfortable. It's designed to make expressing milk easier for you. The pump mimics a baby's feeding style to help increase milk collection. You can start in let-down mode for quicker pumps, then switch to longer pumps to imitate a baby's relaxed feeding. The included SoftShape 100% silicone shield is flexible and gentle for any breast shape. It creates a proper seal for comfortable and efficient pumping. The shield size is B, 25mm flange. The quiet function and compact size are great for discreet pumping at home or while traveling. This allows you to pump without drawing unwanted attention. The hand pump and parts are lightweight and portable, making it convenient to pump anywhere you go. It's easy to carry around and use when needed. The curved handle and narrow neck are designed to naturally fit your hand for comfortable one-hand pumping. The wide, stable base of the bottle won't tip over, providing extra stability. It includes Dr. Brown's anti-colic options plus 5 ounces 150 milliliters wide neck baby bottle with level 1 slow flow nipple and a storage travel cap. This system provides everything you need for feeding. What we like. Dr. Brown's manual pump features a soft-shaped silicone shield for comfortable pumping. It offers 2 modes of expression to mimic baby's feeding style. If you like a quiet and portable pump for discreet use, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to assemble and clean and has great suction. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It empties me out well, is comfortable and goes straight into a Dr. Brown's bottle, which is what my baby uses anyway. It's easy to clean, easy to control the pace, and just makes my life easier as an exclusive pumper. Number 1. Evenflo Breast Pump Replacement Membranes and Valves. Is your breast pump not performing as well as it used to? These replacement parts are key to maintaining optimal suction. They will help ensure your pump works effectively. Worn or missing parts can significantly impact your pump's performance. Replacing them can restore the suction and efficiency. These parts are designed to keep your pump working correctly. These membranes and valves are designed for use with Evenflo Manual, Single Electric, and Advanced Electric pumps. They are made to fit seamlessly, ensuring a perfect match for your pump. Cleaning is a breeze with these tinted silicone parts. They disassemble completely for thorough cleaning. This makes it easy to maintain hygiene between pumping sessions. Evenflo is committed to your child's safety. These replacement parts are made from food-grade materials. They are also free of harmful substances like polycarbonates, PVC, and phthalates. What we like. These replacement parts are essential for maintaining your pump's performance. They are easy to clean and made from food-grade materials. If you have an Evenflo pump and want to ensure optimal suction, you should consider these replacement parts. What people say. Easy to assemble and use. The pump is comfortable to use. It is easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.